Good morning, guys. What is our? We've just woken up from a lovely little stay at this travel lodge in Tamworth, and I am fucking tired. And today we're off to Drayton Manor. And yeah, we've got fireworks this evening, which are based on Star Wars. We're gonna be sick. I fucking love Star Wars. They're the best films ever created, apart from Jurassic Park, and the Saw films, obviously. So yeah, obviously again we're joined with the Beast, the Welsh boy, and Dean Gary Cox. Yeah, we're gonna go get a McDonald's breakfast now. Let's go. Okay, so we're now at Drayton Manor, parking up, and yeah, we're gonna go get our tickets and get into the park. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're now inside the park, and our first ride of the day is the Haunting, which has got a few upgrades from last year. And yeah, last year I thought it was pretty good, so this year, even better. Let's go on the Haunting.
They have been utilising my really big thanks for yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Filled it right up, I did.
Not releasing then.
They get released on Monday morning. There's a man who comes to do it for me. Oh, this is too much.
Love me or let me go.
Okay, so we just came off Apocalypse, and that's still the scariest ride I've ever done in my life, and I've still got to do it another 3 times to stick to my bargain. But yeah, we just had another ride on a Golden Nugget shootout thing. Ethan! Okay, so we're now in Thomasland. We just took a ride on the Troublesome Trucks, and we're going to go on that thing, and that thing. Are we? And that thing, and that thing. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, we had a nice few rides in Thomasland. We're now on the train. And I fucking love trains. If you didn't watch the Go 8 vlog, go on there, from like, what? May, yeah, it was in May. Go watch that, because we go on a train, and it's better than Ghost Train. It's probably better than Ghost Train as well, but yeah. Ghost Train, new stuff next year, Scare Maze, new VR, sick. So we're now on G-Force, and we're upside down. Okay, so we're now going on Splash Canyon, which is probably the wettest water ride in the UK.
I'm just kind of doing.
Oh, skipping them queues like a boss. Let's go and get proper moist.
This is fun.
No photos.
No photos. Hi there. No, no.
Hannah's been charged. We had a bit of an accident in the travel lodge last night.
I'm in between the gap.
Mind the gap.
My gap. Oh wait, I forgot one of those.
Nah. You got it last night.
No, I didn't.
I know.
He tried it.
No, I did not.
Okay, so we're now on Shockwave.
Let me go.
I never knew Thomas had an engine.
It's called Thomas the Tank Engine.
Yeah, not an actual engine though, a diesel
No
engine.
animals, Dean.
Dean, there's no llamas. There's no llamas.
Oh.
But yeah, we've just been inside this like old school machine arcade.
Someone over there. Let's go find it. There might be a twin hammer. No, I'm joking. No, that's not going on the vlog.
Right.
That's not going on the vlog.
Naughty.
Oh, you naughty boy.
Okay, so we're now on Ben 10 and Dean's dying. He's actually falling down. Oh my god, he's nearly off his seat. Oh my god. Okay, so we just watched the fireworks, and as you can see, that was fucking amazing. I absolutely love fireworks shows like that, and the quality, the lasers, the music, everything was amazing. That was so good, so much better than last year's. But yeah, right now we're going on some rides in the dark. Let's go.